Libra, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At itong energies ninyo ngayong new moon in Gemini. So let's see what's coming to you. Ngayong May 27, 2025 at 11:02 a.m. Philippine time. Ayan, so if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo'y naka-resonate. Okay, for you Libra, itong new moon is happening in your 9th house of higher education, learning, travel, exploration. So, maaring meron kayong mga bagong interest ngayon na gusto nyong i-explore. Yung iba sa inyo may travel opportunities. Pwedeng local travels, but some of you, this is abroad, no? Traveling abroad. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring mas nagiging open kayo sa spirituality, different forms of divination. May Mercury din kasi rito. Mercury is the planet of learning, also studying. So, pwedeng kayo ay may pag-aaralan. Or, maaring kayo rin ay magne-network. Oo, mas dadami yung connections ninyo, friends ninyo. Meron tong positive aspect sa 7th house of relationships. So, maaring merong new person coming in sa inyo if you are looking for a romantic partner. Pwedeng itong unexpected rin, no? Or pwede siyang through friends na makikilala mo through friends or pinakilala na sa'yo ng kaibigan mo. But you really have to, kailangan kilalanin mo tong person na to before you get into a relationship. Lalo na kung hindi ka pa sigurado or parang hindi mo pa talaga siya buong kilala. But actually naman, mahirap din naman sabihin na, at a certain period of time, kilala mo na yung tao. Kasi, once you get into the relationship, dun mo palang mas makikilala yung person, 'di ba? Oo. So, this can be a romantic connection, partnership, or pwede rin tong sa family, friendship, or business partnership. Meron din tong positive aspects sa yung 5th house, which is, andito yung Pluto. Pluto is the planet of transformation. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng, if may plans kayo of having a baby, there's a possibility na merong baby coming in. But kung halimbawa sexually active kayo at hindi pa kayo ready, so medyo mag-ingat, 'di ba? Pero kung gusto niyo na talaga, then i-push niyo na. Kasi maaring magkaroon ng new member ng family, like a baby. And some of you naman, maari ring mas magta-tap in kayo sa inyong creative talents, creative skills ninyo, para ma-pursue nyo yung goals and dreams ninyo. Let's say, meron kang talent sa communications, public speaking. So, gagamitin mo yan, yung talento mo na yan para maabot mo yung goals mo sa buhay. 'Di ba? Pwedeng you might create content sa social media. And 'di ba yung mga content creators, they are earning money from uploading yung mga videos sa social media. So, pwedeng ganon. 5th house is also about your kids, your children. So, pwedeng mas magbibigay ka rin ng oras, atensyon sa yung mga anak. Let's see. What is the energy of the 9th house? Ooh, you have the Death card. This is transformation, endings, and new beginnings. Wow, Judgment. There is a major change in your belief system, Libra. So, pwedeng religion to, no? Yung mga pinaniniwalaan nyo. Pwede rin namang hindi religion. Pwede rin sarili mong belief system. Like, kung dati, naniniwala ka sa isang prinsipyo na ganito, no? Principle A. Tapos ngayon, nagiging open ka na sa principle B. 'Di ba? So, kahit ano pa yung prinsipyo na 'yon. This is also about a new opportunity sa ibang bansa. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, mag-abroad, doon na titira, magre-relocate, and you will have your own life. Like, magkakaroon ng reset. Oo. Like, starting a new life sa ibang lugar, sa ibang bansa. What is the energy of the 7th house? Oh, yung iba sa inyo, dun kayo magsasettle. Yung iba sa inyo mag-aasawa. Or magsasama na kayo ng person mo. You will have your own family together. If kayo naman ay may business partnership, mas magiging matibay, matatag yung samahan ng business partnership ninyo ng inyong person or kung sino man tong inyong kakonect. Or pwede to kasing hindi lang kayo business partners, pwedeng kayo ay romantic partners din. Energy ng 5th house, 9 of Pentacles, the Lovers. Wow. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng magkakaroon kayo ng can be an unexpected relationship, no? Na ito yung parang sa una hindi siya ganun kaseryoso and then eventually naging seryoso siya. Oo. Na you realize na this person is the one for you, no? Yung iba naman, if this is not a romantic connection, commitment mo sa iyong craft, sa iyong talento, sa skill set mo. Sun in Scorpio. Okay. In the 8th house. Endurance. Pagiging malakas, pagiging matatag. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring mas palalakasin nyo yung inyong pangangatawan, or yung iba sa inyo, mas magkakaroon ng very energetic type of sexual connection with someone. Magiging sexually active kayo. You also have Moon in Taurus in the 2nd house. So, focusing on your finances, yung iyong mga ari-arian, mas lalo mong pararamihin ang iyong assets. And you also have Mars in Libra in the 7th house, which is choice. Mars is the planet of action, no? So, maaring magte-take action ka na kung meron kang gustong relationship na pasukin. Hindi mo na patatagalin. Kaya nga iba sa inyo, meron ditong unexpected papasok sa isang relationship. Step up and lead, and then know you are loved. Yung iba sa inyo, merong promotion sa trabaho. You can be a leader sa work ninyo, or this can be leadership mo sa iyong sarili, sa mga goals mo na ipupursue mo na talaga. And meron mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo, sumusuporta sa'yo, someone na talagang full support, no, sa mga gusto mong ma-achieve sa buhay. Because mahal ka nila. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.